Hi, in this video I'm going to help you get started with Java development on Windows operating system by downloading and installing Eclipse IDE, one of the most popular Java development tools. Suppose that you have a fresh computer with no Java programs installed, so you need to install Java Development Kit JDK because the Eclipse IDE requires a Java runtime environment to run, and JDK includes Java runtime environment. And in this video, I will guide you how to install the latest version of Eclipse as of June 2020. It is the version 2020-06 and the latest version of Java 14, JDK 14. And then launch Eclipse IDE to create your first Java project. First, you need to download Java Development Kit JDK from official source like Oracle website. So head to oracle.com/java/technologies, and you can see the suggestion to download Java SE here. This is a download page for Java SE 14 or Java Development Kit JDK. Click JDK download here. You know, Oracle JDK is a commercial build for Java Development Kit, but you can use it for personal use. Scroll down and choose the package according to the Windows operating system. For Windows, choose the Windows x64 installer. So click this link to download the installer program for JDK. Check this option and click download. And you see the file is being downloaded for JDK 14, the latest version of Java Development Kit as of June 2020. Okay, the download of JDK has completed, and click on the downloaded file to launch installer program for JDK. Here you see the dialog for setup of Java Development Kit. Just click next and use the default directory for JDK. Next. The installation of JDK will be quick and easy. Okay, setup completed, and click close. And open my computer, and we see JDK is installed in C driver, program files, Java, and JDK 14 with the version 14.0.1 here. So that means you have successfully installed Java Development Kit JDK 14. After installation of Java Development Kit, you need to download and install Eclipse IDE. So head to the home page of Eclipse, eclipse.org. You see, this is the home page of Eclipse Foundation, the non-profit organization that makes Eclipse IDE. So click the download button here, and you can see the latest version of Eclipse IDE is 2020-06. Click the button download 64-bit for Windows operating system. And click the download button. If you want to choose to download from another mirror site, you can click the select another mirror site here. Click download, and it will download Eclipse installer program, and then we need to run the installer program to set up Eclipse IDE. Okay, download completed, and click the downloaded file to launch Eclipse installer program. The Eclipse installer program, you see. and we are going to install one of the most popular Java development tools. And here you can choose different packages of Eclipse IDE. For Java development, I recommend you to install the package Eclipse IDE for enterprise Java developers here. So click this, and by default Eclipse IDE requires Java runtime environment, Java virtual machine version 1.8 or higher, and it automatically detects the kernel of Java, which is JDK 14, which we have installed before, and the installation directory, and then click install button. And when a warning dialog appears for unsigned content here, click accept. You see installation completed successfully, and click the launch button here to open Eclipse IDE, and you can see the splash screen of Eclipse IDE version 2020-06. It's the latest version of Eclipse IDE as of June 2020. And the first time Eclipse start, it will suggest the default workspace directory, which is in the user home directory, Eclipse dash workspace, and click launch. Here we go, the Eclipse IDE appears here. Now let me show you how to create the first Java program, Java project using Eclipse IDE. You can see in the project explorer here, there are several links that allows you to create a project. So click create a project here and choose Java project. The next project name is Hello Java, and you can see by default the Java version is Java 14. Click next. Finish. For creating a module info, just skip. So click don't create, and open perspective for Java development. Open perspective, and you see the project what created Hello Java here. And now create your first Java class. Right click on the source directory src here, new class, and name the package is, for example, com.hello. Name is Hello Java app, and click this option to create the main method for the Java class. So Java virtual machine will be able to launch this Java program. Finish. And you can see this is the code of the first Java program. And in this hello world program, just print something to the console output. So write system.out dot print line hello world. That's it. A very simple hello world Java program. And click save. And now let's run this Java program. You can see in the toolbar there's a button to run a Java application here. Run as Java application. And you can see the output in the console view here. Hello world. So that's the first Java program using Eclipse IDE. Well done. So far you have learned how to install Java Development Kit JDK and Eclipse IDE, and create the first Java project. I hope you will find this video helpful. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and share this video. Thank you.